Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to try on this wig. I've applied powder on the left just to make it blend well with my complexion. So this is how it looks. I have it in different colors: black, 133, brown. And then I'm going to apply this Baby Love. You can get it in any beauty shop near you, or if you want me to send it together with the wig, just let me know. But you can get it from a beauty shop. It's solid. So it has a band at the back just to make it more secure. You don't need combs, and it's a very simple style to wear, to manage, as simple as that. And then you're going to apply your baby hair. So you can do the side parting or the mid parting like that if you want. That's how it looks. I just want to make sure I don't have any hanging hair because I just trimmed it before I try this one. That's the mid parting. The side parting. Guys, what do you think? Do you prefer it in the middle or on the side? You can put it on the left side or on the right side, whichever that you prefer. So if you get this hair and you want to trim it further, just go ahead and do so. Like if you feel like there are some hanging at the back, just trim them yourself. So just comment down below guys if you love this style, if you love this wig, and if you're interested in it, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send it to you. I ship worldwide. Okay, bye guys, see you in my next video.